Kuramjare ma'am, I ngasi ma'am the kinom ta hydrogate ko. Ako'y Manipuri ramdam jada mi khara leri ko. I ki sum lan ba khot pai ming sijinnaraga khara thagalak pa je video do ro post do ro. I mediana tab rojo I khang de. I don't have any knowledge about it. Adobu mi on the khara nungshiba I bu mi nungshiba ma'am na I on the hari ko. Ichan Licypriya si nangi ming sijinnaraga si smana video thagale khole je. Smana post do je. I naging drink de I khang de si matang da. But I na hiding it, ma'am the clarify something it. Siyong mathabak siya. Some clarification am the changda pot me ko. Singto singjing am the darkar tate. And this will be my last clarification also. Ako'y ki ay si hantag ay video thagalak pa khara lay ko. Ya poster pa. Dodo ay na so hiding it. No ay on the interview tong ningadi. My door is always open. Ay yung dalaki jalaw interview taw law. Ay kinam kaide. Nobody is stopping you. Ay public ta jum ma'am na number Kang mado, ado don't phone to video, ado the wise hanache. I don't have any problem with that. I email faktuga, yising, wala, I invitation do karam mano karino, kamana, I on the pangi kolido, I'm maintaining a di, proof to, I on the loyal. Because I know give me the boy and alan ba, arang by na kagino. Why would I spread fake news? I na do the wangang or a college. I know me am ginatra, tabak to bija. And also, whenever I'm doing something good for this society, ako yung Manipur kita magtoro. Mayam na jukam gani na tabak mayam to ito. Ay na Manipur ki mayam, mga students ki mayam, children ki mayam, people ki mayam kita magtanay na natro to eja. Adong maphawa tabak timo na putorak tabida ay buhat na bagi tabak to eja kay gino. Ako yung Manipur da ay na tong problem jahay je. Unity jo malay te adobo that's out of the topic. Mi ja maphawa tabak to rakanda. Support to da bida inkat ki hona ta bida na. Hatok na ba ko. So what I'm trying to say is that ay yung dala interview taw gedyo taw law ay kay nom ta kaide. Adugo ako'y gi brother amajolari ko miyam na khang gani joda haikujam. Adudo ay na haining ije brother ay na to iba I'm not affiliated with the NGOs mo na ayon da program invite toraga ay na chat pa junatte. I on the invitation slide direct United Nations ta gini ko. Aduga brother na jo amik ta siumat hari je ay am nung ay tare. Nana UN the chakke chalu. It's none of my business. Chakke chalu chakke chanindra di chakkano. I don't have any words or comment to say on that. Aduga ako'y jo brother amaleri ko brother joda haiku jamna. Mana haji kana kinom tawri ko. May am jealous ka ba male ay dagi. I don't know, jealous from a 13-year-old girl child. I don't know how does that make sense. Maji, I'm senseless oy hai tare and way behind his brain, way behind his mind. And as he's jealous, manjo kainomta sum he's misleading. Mana na, ako'y mana spread to misinformation. Mana ay buhat na bagida makta. Ay bu sum ay na to iba thabak chibu stop lephan na bagida makta. And I would like to say is that ay bu NGOs ma'am ay nagahantag UN ga ma'am chali je ay naga UN gi bato ma'am to direct UN dagine adugo invitations ma'am je fake ne na hairo adugo mahiro sida ay yung dalaw gingo law ki fake na ta bro ay UN da wangang bro ngang da bro adu UN da hantag wangang da hadi UN ji da bu ay na ay gi post da ay na thagalay do link na try ni gawra ga to ida adu link to bu fake ne na hai be bro ne UN gi official link to bu ay speech yaw ina du da ay yung dalaw I know the video thabige aseng manata bro aseng manata di na UN ki office chalo jo ya dubu khangja di I know the takpige kay nom kaite da ang brother kay nom kaite and also at the end nang ayon da bo poster just yung mathabag to I am kay nom hatare I am nuaite because at first COVID ki matamda try to remember nang nabo ayon da paraga phone tawraga hare do ke ay iyamba sanjoy bu sum sidore na ako'y COVID keep oxygen change na hare do. And then what happened was next ay nakaita we na nangi iyamba sanjoy kita makta nangi family kita makta ay no oxygen taine from Delhi to Manipur nga si tharga haying yaw gibapot ni ko adu ka bigano I saved his life. And adu bukta I was very young at that time. Apaba thabak to organ de adu di yeng da bida pataba to buju to de. I know ma misinformation to orga I know the was him jalaga by jumbling all these words na misinformation spread to je kay na society jida. And I don't care Nana, I don't have any business with you going to UN or not. Chaninga chalu, chaninga token, chaninga to. I don't care. I don't give a damn. Do what you want. And amuka hajage, kainunta amig ta doubt clarity for whatever I'm doing. Just come. Just come to my home. Eige BBC, Reuters, international media. Ay ang wangang rabane. Live to wangang rabane. Ay na bu YouTuber macha ako yung Manipur da bu wangang babu interview to bu ay nakagikito no. Why would I be frightened? Why would I be scared? And also ako yung sisi ako yung churan chan por da ay na miyam da chat niga lau toki ba do. Mana do guma fake kahari do. Yam tabi ada mga tane ko. I have my reasons. And those reasons come to be the pangtatan misleading words haji kamanto no. Come di ayon the law ayon the phone to rosi manto no koli no hai bi abane ko. And I na kay chatri do. Because I have my reasons and let me tell you why. It's because of the government. When ayon the yadrin chalan na ba churan chan purda. The government stopped me from going there. Intelligence kay kaigi matang sijinnaraga. I didn't want it to cause any drama. I had dramas haganing nga dina. Ay sagad pe. But I didn't want it to have any of that. And as a child, I want peace. Ako yung Manipur gahantag lang ga toki baje. Ay na mating pangge baje mayam kita makta. Yahanda ako yung medical camp kiwaro. Adung bapaba thabak mayam tora kanda. Adu ding bida siyong ba misleading mayam words to kay gino. Adu hanta ki video je ay last clarification. Sida yung matungway na ayam to tawro oy. And if you want me to clarify something, come to my house. I do hantag exam tawga. I've been very busy. I'm still a student. Adu ka ubi ganu. Adu ka jealous ka ba mi miyam ni kay taw ni. Adum hatok na ba thabak taw ni. Ay bu angang ro adu ro. But please remember, because of you people, many people, muy kumbaja, siyong batorga, hatok na batorga, atong toy ko. Aduga ay kay nom ta hajege ko, ako'y gi magi post jo UFO gi maramda yawi ko. Si UFO gi maramda ay lagi hangya hango ay di kay nom kaite. But the truth will come from their mouth only. So based magi from where it's arrived, adu to na hangbiu magi UFO gi Secretary General da dum hangbiu, mana dum seng wa ham da dum harani. So contact them. Don't just contact me. Na trusting behind ngati. Aduga amo kay no kangde yuan gi website chi mo fake mo haradi ay naga hajik special envoy ga ore ji ako gi Jose Ramos horta president of East Timor adu mo fake oy mo haro. Unbelievable. Very senseless. Anyways, I don't care. I will continue doing my work. Ay na miyam gi aphabat-habak to je adum kanna ay adum honar birake. But ay amutang ka hajage ko. If it reaches to a point, I'm a point reach to a kanda. Yam hinjan bahay tare. Mayam no ero. Mi khara no ero. Yam tora kanda. Maybe something will stop me from doing the work. Ay na mayam kita magtathabag ka mayam to bije. Ay lep ke bayay. But for now I won't obviously because I care about ay ishagi imalebak mo. Among shije. Ado ba sinong shiba bije. Ay na sinong shije. Mayam na yung dabuhat na bagita magta. Sinong shiba je. For a second, I forget all of these. So try not to make that happen. Aduga, yeah, imalebak Manipur na afraid. Let's try not to, try not to make people who are trying to do work for a good cause. Let's try not to, backstab them. Mabu, hatok na ba? Kinamakta. Alo dahil just dagilo siya lagi. You're always free, open to interview me. I don't have any problem. And aside of panire. Thank you, ma'am.